how is everybody doing? So I just want to take you guys on a brief visit to my favorite paternal uncle's grave. Yeah, he passed away in 2021, and unfortunately I wasn't available to attend his funeral. And this is actually the first time I'll be visiting his grave site, and this is my paternal home, my grandfather, my dad's father's house. So it's basically my home. Yeah, so if I'm getting married, this is where everything is gonna happen. Yeah, I know it looks, this used to be a very large happy family a couple of years ago, but a lot has happened. So many people have died, and just so much has happened. And this is my grandfather's grave, this is my uncle's grave, and I'm not even sure if I'm correct, but because we always confuse which is which, there are no names written on them. And this is my uncle's grave. Yeah, I met this one, he passed in 2007. And this is my step grandma's grave, that's my dad's stepmom. This is her grave. And this is my dad's side, how do I explain this, my grandma's door's grave sites, kind of. Okay, the kids of my grandmother, my paternal grandmother, and she herself, this is their own grave site. My grandfather had, I think, about 13 wives. So this is my dad's older brother, his grave. He passed before I was born. And this is the next one you're gonna see is my grandma. Oh no, it's not my grandma, it's my uncle. He was a twin to my favorite uncle. So this is he passed away in 2012. Yeah, this is my older sister, by the way, my immediate elder sister. So this is like, I think this will be the first time we are visiting the gravesite. Apart from the last time I was here was when my uncle, this particular one, this Uncle Adiga, was buried. That was the last time I was around this gravesite. Yes, and that was 12 years ago. Okay, no, I came again sometime in 2015. Yeah, I visited the gravesite sometime in 2015. And here lies my favorite paternal uncle. Till date, I feel so much pain that he died the way he died. I know the surprising, okay, maybe not surprising, but one thing that is very common about all of these deaths, my dad's older brother and my twin uncles, is they all died of accidents. They all died accident deaths. Again, my dad's older brother had an accident on the bike, and my twin uncles, they had accidents on their way to a particular external uncle's activity somewhere, and somehow that uncle always survives. Yeah, somehow he always survives. And like the other twin, which is Uncle Adiga, that's the one by my left leg, during their accident he was the one driving, and there were about 12 of them in that vehicle, and about 6 of them were from my family. That's my uncle and my aunt, external aunt, basically from same grandparents. Yeah, and 6 of them were from my family. That's my uncle and 5 other family members, and 2 of my little cousins, my auntie, she was pregnant at the time, and 2 other extended family, and then one guy who is also related but a distant relative, kind of. And somehow that my uncle survived. And then my favorite uncle was going for something something relating to him, and that was in 2021, and they were involved in an accident. and he also
No,
passed.
so Moya guy, I didn't take it that it's anything serious. You get me okay? So I'm going to now.
Now I'm not saying anything, but I'm just saying it's like it could be coincidence. I know. At this point, we were just talking about the whole when the news broke, when my mom called my older sister to like, yeah, your uncle was involved in an accident and all of that, and I miss this man so much. Like he, amongst all of my dad's brothers, he was the closest to us, and he was the only one who I could actually, anytime I visited the village, I could ask for anything, especially food, because we farm. So, and he would make sure that I have it. I miss him so much. I just feel very heartbroken that he's not gonna witness my traditional marriage. I mean, I had so much dreams that he was gonna be the one to, be the one sharing whatever it is that is meant for uncles. But sadly, oh well, after that we had to go down to some of my grandpa's properties and some of his farmlands and get some oranges. Yes, I mean, it's free. So I had to climb this orange tree by myself because there was something there was a particular orange that was entering my eye, and while we were using the stick was not, the thing did not want to fall down. So I just say, boy, you are entering my eye too much for me to leave you and go. Yes, you are gonna follow me. So I took the bull by the horn and I climbed the tree. My older sister was like, girl, you need to get down. You are no longer 10 years old. You are no longer 8 years old. Get your ass down. And I was like, girl, just all up. Now, it doesn't matter whether I'm 10 years old, 12, 8, whatever. I'm gonna get that orange. Yeah, and I did. Your girl did got that orange. Wait, the English is correct. But whatever. I got it. I still could not reach it, but I had to see, just look at how enticing this orange is. How could I? And then my mom helped me pluck it, and then I just plucked one or two. Yeah, I just got one or two, and I came down. Okay, I came down. No, I went down. I climbed down. Yeah, I think that is yes, I climbed down. And while I was climbing this, I remember back in the day, to think that my mom was the one recording me while I climbed this tree. Back in the day, thinking about it, when I was 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, basically when I was a kid, if my mom should see me climbing a tree, oh, Chimo, my name is sorry. Guys, the way she will flog the living life. Wait, the living life. The day she will flog daylight out of me. Wait, is it even possible to flog daylight out of somebody? Yeah, actually, she will flog the daylight out of me. Everything I'll be seeing is night. I'll just be seeing darkness.
On our way to our family.
And this is everything we
family stream. Family
and then we decided to visit our
it's named after my grandfather.
Family stream.
I don't know why. Maybe because it's on his land. I don't know, but yes. So this when we were kids, this is where we used to come and bath, fetch water, and basically just come to play and all of that. And mind you, I didn't know how to swim. I still do not know how to swim right now, but we still used to come and swim. Yeah, so and then my siblings nearly drowned. My elder sister nearly drowned. My younger brother nearly drowned. And Michael. That was one younger that was swimming. Jesus. Okay, I think yes. Yeah. It rained recently. That I think a day before that day or so.
It rained in the night. Because that day it rained that night. It rained in the night.
So we are here. Wait, let me turn the camera around. Aulu. Oh my good. It's no, it no longer looks like it used to. Let me see. This is where we used to come and bath, fetch water, and then there was a second part of it, the other side, yeah.
Usually, like when we come to get water to cook, and water for like majorly cooking and anything that would end up being.
This is where my
take areas where
this is where my siblings almost drowned. They went under that, and then our older cousin had to, you know him. At the time he was like the strongest swimmer. He had to dive in and do Superman and carry everybody outside. Okay. Deforestation. You guys, this is bringing so much memories. Don't I? See that river here? If you have so many memories. Do I want to go back and live here? No. Do I miss it? Yes. Let's go home. Alright.